Hey everyone, and welcome to Yoga with Your Dog. This video is meant to be fun. It's meant to make you smile and laugh with your favorite four-legged friend. Cats are also welcome. And just meant to do something fun while you're hanging out at home, all right? So grab your mat, grab your favorite four-legged friend, and let's get started. Let's sit together facing each other, so come over here. Come on. And have a seat. Sit. So it'll help work on commands, it'll work on kind of bonding together, and then, maybe allow you to have a quick smile. So as you sit here with your dog, before we get started in our practice, just calmly allow yourself to maybe give them a little rub on their chest, or something that allows you to let them know that what's going on is okay. Minnie's acting a little camera shy. Good, and then just take 5 deep breaths. So breathing in as you close your eyes, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Let's do 3 more breaths. Breathing in, breathing out. 1 more, breathing in. Good, and breathing out. Now Minnie decided to hold on during that. Sometimes she likes to do that, sometimes your dog might too. And then feel free to grab their front paws and just kind of take a big inhale, reach up. Good, you can put those down, and then inhale, reach your arms up. Good, exhale, big hug to your favorite four-legged friend. Yay! Nice. And then let's repeat those 5 breaths to see if we can get them a little bit calmer, okay? So inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. 2 more, breathe in. Breathe out. And 1 more time, breathe in. And out. Grab their paws, inhale, big stretch up. Good, put those down, reach yours up. Big hug. Good. And then maybe we can do down dog. How does that sound? So I'm gonna let you stand on the yoga mat. And then maybe I can do down dog with her underneath me. Oh, you can't go anywhere, Min. You're part of yoga. Here, have a seat. Sit. 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 There you go. And then maybe your pup will stay as you take some stretches here. Bless you. Give them a little hello. Good. Take 3 more breaths. Come here, Min. 2. Come here. And then on 1, have a seat with them again. Come here. Come on. Good. Now as you have a seat with your pup, come here. Allow them. Here we go. So have a seat. Sit. Sit down. Good girl. And then maybe you can get them to lay down if you want. It's up to you. No lay down today. And then reach 1 leg out. Take a nice stretch as you fold over your right leg. Your left knee is bent. And then inhale, slowly come up. Good, other leg out. Right foot meets left leg. Feeling good? Yeah? Fold over your left leg. Good. Big stretch. And then inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale your feet together. Bound angle pose. So I want you to sit up straight. Nice big stretch of those inner thighs, and then maybe fold forward. Stretch a little bit more. Good. And now cross your ankles. We're going to take a twist. So you're going to keep your left hand on your pup and your right hand behind you to twist. And then side 2, take your right hand to your pup. Take your left hand behind you to twist. What you doing? Good. Come back to center. Take both legs out. Both hands around your pup. Fold forward. Good. Give them a little bit of love, little extra attention. Oh, thank you, Minnie. She's asking for a belly rub, so I guess I can do that while we stretch here, can I? Does that feel good? And then let's re-find our breath. So let's go ahead and just relax here. One hand to your pup's heart and one hand to you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice job. Big hug for your four-legged friend. Say hello and thank you. Nice work, guys. Hope you had fun doing a little yoga with your pup. You can stay seated and take some more single leg stretches. One hand on, one hand to fold, one hand on, one hand to twist, or get more creative. You can also use your pup for workouts. So, you can always pick them up. If they let you, put them down. But I hope you enjoyed today. Minnie, can I have a shake for a good job? You want to? Shake? There you go. You did such a good job. Hope you guys had fun. Enjoy the rest of today. And thanks for doing yoga with Minnie and I. Good work, guys. Thank you.